I'm gonna make your life so clear. Gonna make you mine. You never see it coming.
Quiero amarte para siempre.
And the next thing you know,
Enséñame cómo amar
unconditional love,
incondicionalmente.
unconditional love. She ain't looking for no diamond.
Ah, bro, you interested now?
John, Stacy, a fire incident I got put you back in, but the bright side of it is, remember the partner we get? Remember, so we did invest it in the bank, so interest I got grew up on it, and we can go down at the bank and see how best we can work out to get something better.
Me not even save a mattress.
Stacy, stop worrying about the mattress, no man, it's warm to you. We're gonna start small and see how best we can build back our life. Cool?
Hello. You invest your money in a bank. I'm investment in a mattress.
John, no, Stacy. That's sad, you know. You better go look at work over dread production.
Can't invest in a mattress.
No, and you can't put it under the mattress either. So before the break, we got a crash course on real estate and what life is really like after you move out. So the next best thing to talk about is that cha-ching, moolah, money. Let's talk money and how to budget it and how to actually keep cash in your account. Sagicor's executive financial advisor Selena Chin is here and founder of Thriving Dollar. Okay, she's here as well. We've got Kenisha Mays, and she's a personal financial strategist. What a lot of things behind your name, darling. A personal financial strategist.
Yes.
Love it. So you're going to tell me what to do with my money.
I will.
So you're rich.
Me work on rich.
Yeah, I'm not going to follow she go.
All right, so let me jump in now because you guys make it sound and look so easy to do all this. Is it really?
No, it's not.
Thank you for telling the truth.
It's not so much that it's easy, but I think what happens is that as you practice something, you get better at it. So that's what it is.
Okay, the first step is to budget, yes?
Yeah, it is the budget, but what a lot of persons don't realize is that we have a wrong formula from beginning.
Okay.
So it's not that, say for instance, financial planning is not taught in school, yes, in a formal setting. That is one negative impact, but the next thing is that our parents or the persons who are before us teach us bad financial practices.
Oh, hallelujah.
So, we go to school with a mindset that says, go to school, graduate, get a good job, and then what? Live happily ever after. Basically. So that is a formula we get.
So what formula should we have? What's the right one?
I'm going to show you something, especially with parents. Yes, teachers, and we love blame teachers a lot of time, but parents really have a strong responsibility in this part because you're teaching the child how to manage money. And I'm going to show you something. Do you know that a lot of children earn an income before they even leave school?
Yeah, man.
From as early as even basic level, and I'll show you what I mean.
My child's first paycheck came at 6 months.
All right. See what I'm talking about? Children have talents, so they can sing, dance, act, and they earn money from it. Not only that, we are people, we have a culture that birthday, anniversary, we give them money.
Christmas.
But what parents predominantly do is they take the child's money and spend it. And I'm not knocking the parents now because sometimes they have so much bills they don't know what to do. But we are teaching them a lie. And the lie is that when you have money, you must pay your bills first. And then whatever left, you must save and invest. And that's a wrong formula. Send it back, go to pit of hell, that's a lie. It's the other way around. We should save and invest first. And then you pay your bills. So after you save and invest, whatever is left, act like that is the actual salary that you have gotten.
Right.
And then you know how we do the thing in Jamaica, we juggle. And we find a way to, but what you're doing, you're teaching the child that you don't consume everything you earn. And I'll give you an example. It starts in the mind. Say for instance, I'm a financially irresponsible person. I spend how I feel. If I earn $40,000 every month from my job. And if I earn $40,000, I spend $40,000. And if I don't get what I want, not what I need, I'm going to take out a loan. 1, 2, I'm going to ensure I send the credit card sky high. And everybody I see is, Sakina, can't give me a thing. Let's say that is how I am now. And I am blessed to get a job that pays me $400,000. Do you think that I'm going to become a multimillionaire in a matter of months? No,
So you
because the
get spent
mindset is
$400.
not there. So it's not, persons believe that your salary is what makes you rich. It's not your salary, it's your spending habits.
And one of the things
Yeah, because how do we know what to invest in? Because financial planning isn't taught in school, investment isn't taught in school.
you know what? I actually brought a quick activity. Yes, I did. You know, I brought a quick activity. So one of the things that I like to bring across to people is that you need to start investing where you spend your money. So you have all these companies that you're giving your money to each month. Why don't you have ownership in those companies as well? So I have a quick activity for us. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a few pictures and I'm going to tell you, these are everyday products that we all buy, right? We all use these products. So I'm going to start with or something simple or Grace mackerel, right? And I'm telling you the price of the mackerel. So the small one is like $80, right? So what I want you to do is to guess the price of the stock. Because we know Grace Kennedy is the company.
You know me, no know nothing about stocks and bonds.
Well, we're gonna figure out something. We'll figure out a little something. So just guess a price.
$10
For the stock
if you buy it on the stock market.
per share. How much?
$10.
You're 10. How much are you?
$1.
For Grace Kennedy, Selena, you want to take a guess?
About $33?
At 33. No, we have Grace Kennedy at $59.96. But the point is that the product that you're buying from the company is more expensive than the stock price. Right, so I'll give you something else. Cake soap, Blue Power. So the price per cake soap is roughly $70. How much do you think the?
$35.
33.
33? Let me see.
33.
It's actually $4.92.
So you see my $1 never off when I did that.
Well, for Grace Kennedy, it's way off, but for Blue Power, no. So the point is that you're spending a lot of money on the products, but you're not taking ownership in these companies, and these are all companies that are publicly
So
traded.
how do we get ownership in this company?
Exactly. So for the stock market, no. So basically, everybody, and I didn't know this until a few years ago, that everybody can actually open a brokerage account and everybody can buy and sell stocks.
Is it?
Right.
Yeah.
I didn't know. I thought, in my mind, buying stocks, investing was something that rich people did, right? Until I found out that, oh, this is accessible to me. So what you actually need is to open a brokerage account. I see Selena is from Sagicor.
Sagicor can open
Sagicor has Sagicor Investments. They do have brokerage accounts. You also have all the different financial institutions. They have brokerage accounts. You open one, right, and then you get some advice from the broker there, and you can buy and sell stocks through that brokerage account on the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
And then you earn money.
And then you earn money. So you can earn money two ways from the stock market. The first one being your capital gain. So let's say we buy Blue Power.
On price.
It's $4.92, right? If the price goes up to $5, you have an 8-cent capital gain. If it goes up to $10, you have a $5.08 capital gain. So when you sell the stock at a higher price, the capital gain is your profit from that stock. Then you also can get dividends.
But you have to know when to sell it because suppose it go down.
If it go, I mean,
Yeah,
this
it will
much,
go
there
up and
are
down.
fluctuations. There are inevitably
That's
going to
stressful
be.
to my heart. I can't.
But if you
my
don't
heart.
risk, you don't get reward.
You know what you can do? So they, Sagicor as well, JMB, they all have what's called a unit trust, and they have some that are stock-based. So for somebody who is hesitant about getting into the stock market themselves, what they can do is to pool their resources with other people, and then it's professionally invested by
Someone else.
Exactly.
Let me do that.
And
Alright,
it
so
reduces
there's-
the risk to just you alone.
All right, so
Yes.
there we have real estate, we have investments. What other ways are there for us to make our money work for us?
Well, you want to take?
Well, I mean, so we have, one of the things that I think we keep overlooking as a culture is retirement planning, right? So yes, you're earning money now, yes, you're spending money now, but in the future, what does that look like? So starting a retirement fund in Jamaica is as simple as $1,000.
Jamaican dollars.
1,000 Jamaican dollars. You start a retirement fund as soon as you're 18, as soon as you get your first job, you're putting away. And the thing is that you can actually contribute up to 20% of your gross income
Towards a pension.
Exactly.
And that retirement fund has nothing to do with your normal savings.
No.
It has
normal
nothing to do with it,
spending,
and it
that's
also
your
house money,
reduces the
nothing,
taxable
it's a
income.
total-
So it reduces the amount of taxes you have to pay
Pay
on your
on.
income.
Untruth.
No,
so
true,
what
true.
the dry it out and you pay before you get it?
You pay it over, so you can pay it before you have to pay certain taxes,
Gotcha.
right? So you pay that money into your retirement fund, and imagine this money just accumulating
Later
for
and
40
growing.
years.
Why don't we teach this in school?
Yeah, why don't you guys have this class at school? In
But
high
you see,
school?
some things you have-
Like
yeah,
fourth,
we're
fifth,
working.
sixth form.
Yeah, we should. We really should invest in the formal setting. But what you find is that a lot of times person believe that there's only one source of income. Why not multiple sources of
Guys,
income?
I think we need to have a class, but we don't have any more time because this is something we really need to have a class on. Let's hope we can bring them back and we can talk about it some more. Sagicor is Executive Financial Advisor, Selena Chin, and founder and personal financial strategist, I like the name, with Thriving Dollar, Kenisha Mays. They taught us so much, but we have to go for a break. Guys, spend your money wisely. Hear that? Invest it. I get some money off
It's a lot to learn, man.
So come back.